just got an Olight mystery box. I picked up the one that I think was 70 bucks. We're going to see what's in it. I get 5 different mystery boxes a year. I've been doing that for the past 3 years. I've never gotten one from Olight. I usually get a couple from Countycom, then a few from other places. I think that mystery boxes are definitely bad. So this is going to be my last mystery box for quite a number of years to come. Let's go right to opening this up from Olight. Let's do that, and let's see what's in it. I like some Olight products. I've never been very thrilled with their larger lights. I don't like systems that you have to get to that are not USB-C automatically. So this is the present that they sent me, which is their Christmas light. I will probably be gifting that to someone. It is a nice light. I've got other i3s. So they sent me the Seeker 3. And as you can tell, it's got a throw 250 meters. It's a max lumen of 4,200. So this will probably be like something like my camping light when I go camping. I could do something like this. Let's see what it says here. I know a little bit about the Seeker 3, but not a lot about it. Like I said, I love the smaller Olight lights. In fact, I have a bunch of them in my small light kit, but not a big fan of their ones that you can't just do a USB-C 3 in it. So let's open up the package here. So I got one little nice thing that I'm going to gift to someone who needs a flashlight. I know someone who needs a little AAA battery or AA battery flashlight, and that would be nice. So let's look at this, the Seeker. I know it gets really good reviews on the internet and by other people. Let's see, how do I open this up? Or does it slide out? Oh, here we go. Must be a little magnet thing here. And let's see what this says here. So it does come with the Olight special connecting thing, which means I might sell it to a friend that I know that loves flashlights or who needs a flashlight. So this is the Seeker 3. It has I thought it is one of those that would be a great camping light. Something that, you know, you're doing multiple days out camping, you need a really bright light because there's no ambient light that's close by, especially in like the winter time when it's cold out too. And you know, you're camping, it's cold, you got to go out and use the restroom. Let's see if there's any energy inside the batteries here. Let's see what it looks like light wise. Oh yeah, it's pretty darn bright. I'm trying to see if there's, it has at least 2 things to it. I'm going to check on it some more. What I did to light it up, I took this off, and then there's a little piece that I keep forgetting. Everything that's electrical, they have a little piece so it doesn't drain. The part where you either connect it up to a piece that is probably in here. Yep, it's in there that you would attach and then charge up. I typically don't like these things. I like straight USB-C 3s. Now when I take this camping or I'm going to go out for a long time, if for some reason it drains accidentally, I'm going to need this to charge it back up. I think, but I will look more closely at the instructions. It also comes with a nice sheath. This sheath is actually really nice. It's great to go on a pack or belt buckle. Here, I would probably use it as a pack and attach it there for nighttime hiking. Olight Seeker 3. Thanks, Olight. Then see what it's like, brightness wise, and then we can talk about it some more. This is the Olight Seeker 3, which I got in the Olight mystery box. This is Haku EDC. See you in the future.